Eliminate foundation repair headaches with concrete anchor bolts.
Hey, how you doing? What we have here is the new knife anchor that replaces corroded J-bolts that are already in these existing wood structures. So this is your stem wall, this is your seal plate. What we do is we cut these out, we pop this piece in, and then we just insert this, and it toggles down. That way you don't have to cut into your drywall or the exterior wall just to replace these. And then you patch it back with structural grout, structural mortar, and with the tension strap. We notice they've been rusting here as well. So what we do here is we cut this little piece off. We're already repairing this area. So then we structurally screw this plate anchor into here with either 4 8-inch structural screws or 6 of them or 8 4-inch. This meets the codes. Patch that back as well. Thank you for joining us here at Concrete World. Or